Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find ETFs on Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 app and then you need to sign in into your investment account. Over here, tap on this search icon here in the middle, and over here in the search bar, you need to simply type the name or the ticker or symbol of that particular ETF that you are looking for. For example, if you are looking for any of the ETFs, like I'm going to search for Vanguard S&P 500. So I'm simply going to type over here VUAG, and when it is basically available over here just like so, you need to tap on the option of the ETFs tab. Now over here, if you don't have a specific ETF in mind, you can also tap on the option of search, and then you can scroll to the collections or explore the sections depending on your app's version. Now you need to open the categories like ETFs, top ETFs or popular funds in order to browse the available options. So you need to tap on the ETF in order to open its information. Here you can review its price chart, fund details, holdings, key information documents, its annual fees, performance history. So this is going to help you understand what the ETF invests in before making a decision. If you are not ready to buy, you can just simply tap on the watch list icon, or you can add it into your watch list, and you can also create your watch list with the name ETFs. And when you are ready to invest, tap on the option of buy over here, enter the amount or the number of shares that you want to review, and then you just have to simply just review your order, and you need to simply tap on the option of send by order in order to confirm it. So this way you will be able to do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.